This pool that I'm in is made of glass. We're 400 feet in the air. So, we have one thing to establish at check-in. There's two entities here. The Panorama Apartments and the Empyrean Hotel. When you check in, go to the right one. Hotel, apartments. Hotel, apartments. And I'm staying here. So this is the check-in area for the apartments. And hotel guests, you check in on the other side of this wall of plants, which you cannot cross under any circumstances. This thing looks so fancy. I'm not used to staying in luxury places, so let me just appreciate a curved staircase for a second. With a chandelier. Is that crystal or glass? I'm not the person to ask, but it looks really cool. I've never understood having a million seats in a hotel lobby because nobody's ever here. Who's going to sit in all these? One more. This whole exercise took me about 10 minutes. I'm actually a little bit sweaty now. I just got a coffee. Vietnamese coffee. So it's very strong. I think these are meant to be big old tuk-tuks. They have like a fake steering. They have like fake handles as well. They even have mirrors. They have a sense of humor here. I like that. Cool. That coffee is gonna make me shit. Check out how fancy these bathrooms are. So the bottom of the hotel is kind of split into 5 different levels. The first floor is the check-in. The second floor is the hotel lobby. The third floor is the restaurant. The fourth floor is a hotel function area that I don't have access to. The fifth floor just doesn't exist. And then this is the 6th floor. It's got a pretty decent gym. There's a spa. It's kind of expensive though. I don't think I'm gonna use it. I should just say here, I was having so much fun filming the underwater shots that I completely forgot to film anything talking to the camera. So this is not the main pool that you saw at the start. It is the second glass-bottomed pool in that hotel. So the view is, you know, but there's a restaurant there as well, and it's still a glass-bottomed pool. It's a long way down. Now, I'm gonna give you a proper room tour, but first, I have never had to hang up a piece of plastic before. Okay, now we're ready for a room tour. The first thing you'll notice is that we have a kitchen. You've got a kettle, you've got a microwave in here. Don't put your phone in a microwave. This thing's unplugged. Yeah. Turned on the child lock. No, I don't know. No, I don't know how to turn the child lock off. You can get food for £1 in this country, so I don't know why you'd need a kitchen, but if you need a kitchen, you have a kitchen. There's a full... Next to the kitchen, we have a closet kind of area. I've generally just kind of used this to You get a hairdryer that you kind of have to iron, although no ironing board. The room in general smells very nice, and I think it's thanks to an aroma gel. I've never seen these before, but it smells really good. And my drone. I'll come to that later on. Then we have the bed. It comes with lamps, plugs, light switches, drawers on both sides of the bed. 1, 2, 3, 4 pillows. It is so comfy. You have the TV directly opposite, right next to a very nice painting. So under the TV is where you keep the flip-flops. You get given these ones by the hotel, but I think I'll stick to mine. There's also a mini fridge. Yeah, you'd probably just be better at leaving your stuff in the AC, to be honest. And then we have like 5 chairs. I'm staying here on my own. I don't know why I'd need 5 chairs, but I have 5 chairs. There's this kind of futon, which I'm sure most people would use as a foot chair, but I've been using as a stuff chair. And the desk's good. It's got drawers. This is a really nice desk, and it has a mirror. I can see my concentration face while I'm working. Subscribe, by the way, if you've not. I have more videos. And then, as you can see, there is also oh man, heights. Oh, why do I struggle so much? Oh, it's so bad. Yeah, it's a great view though. The toilet is very nice. It's got one of those bum gun things. There's a big mirror, a sink. Look at these soap dispensers. Don't clip that. I don't know my materials. Is this marble? Is it granite? I don't know, but it feels so solid. The shower, which is by far and away the most impressive feature in this whole bathroom. This is a whole window. Look at it. Look, wait there. Hey. I'm in the bedroom, and then this is me in the shower. Bedroom, shower, bedroom, shower. Come on, this is cool. I'm in the shower, and I can see out. Morning. Oh God. Looking over that edge will wake you up. So I'm gonna go do the thing that you probably clicked on this video for. SPF 50. Now, to get to the top floor, the first thing I have to do is go down. Switch out. 1 ticket, please. Okay, come on. But since I only paid $567,000 per night for the room, I can spare 100 grand. What a place, huh? It's not even sunny outside. I'm just, what's the word? British. Now, I mentioned earlier there's a lot more up here than just a glass pool. Let me show you what I mean. There's this barbecue area that seems barely used. Similar to the lobby, there's so much seating choice, it's kind of insane. There's high chairs next to a very steep view. There's a ton of these lounging chairs. Fancy folding seat thing, like circle, and it folds, and yeah, it's cool. I don't know why all these are here, but you have them. There's more sun loungers under the shade here as well, which is really great for those of a paler complexion. There's like a ton of plants everywhere. It's either for the tropical vibe or just comfy. There's these couch chairs. You've got like these huge speakers, and they're providing an ambience somewhat like this. There is a full-on bar up here, and the prices reflect the fact that this is the 40th floor. There's a small bar which I think is just used at night. See that here? 360 infinity pool. Yes, there is a pool that runs the entire circumference of this whole rooftop.
I mean, like pretty much 360.
I'm sure the 337 infinity pool just didn't bill as well at marketing meetings. This hotel is amazing. It's incredible what you get for less than 20 quid a night. Only one thing I would say to the management. You employ a lot of people here. Maybe just one more to clean the glass. So that drone shot that you've just seen, I've borrowed that from another channel because, well, the wind tumble crash. Yeah, that was 3 days ago. It's the second drone in 6 months that I've crashed. I used to want to be a pilot growing up. It's probably a good thing that I'm not.